Okay, second flight of this Arrows Sky Cruiser from my friends at J Perkins here in the UK. What I'm going to demonstrate on this flight is how stable and how slow you can fly this in a small space. It's quite incredible. Of all the high wing kind of scale or high wing trainers I've flown, this is super stable, and you can fly it quite close and quite tight, and quite yeah, it's just really good. So let's demonstrate that now. I have got it in the stabilized mode, and I think that does help a bit, especially with the wind, and there's about 10 miles an hour of wind today. So let's taxi out. With help from my dog. Alright, ready? Here we go. So we're up already. So this is no flaps. This is under half throttle. Yep. And I'm literally keeping it in the top half of the flying field. Wind is coming from the right, and I am using a little bit of rudder as well. Let's put in some flap now, which will help even more. It just crawls if you wanted to. Alright, let's bring it in for a landing. Next time round, I'm going to use full flap on the next landing. On the landing, I think. What do you think, doggo? So there you go. Easy to assemble, easy to fly, easy to impress the dogs. It's just brilliant how slow this can fly. So if it can fly that slow, think how stable it would be if it's your first RC aeroplane. Brilliant. Thanks for watching. The link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment if you'd like to look up the price from our friends at J Perkins. But otherwise, see you soon on Essential RC. Bye.